Hi Cubers, it's me, Cubing 101. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MoYu Aosu GTS2M from Cubing Out Loud. So let's get this open. Those out of the way. So there's, of course, the business card, the logos, and these. Okay. So here's the cube, and then I also ordered yet another bottle of MoYu lube. This stuff does not last very long. Then let's open this. Yes. Okay, now, so there's the big cube tutorial, cube, spare magnets, there's a couple of cards, MoYu stand, and then a screwdriver. Because that's all that's in the box. Now let's get onto the cube. So I got this because my current main, the Cyclone Boys G4, is just overall really bad, and my only other good 4x4, the F4, is also really bad. Okay, so let's turn it. So it's a bit scratchy. It's not a bad thing. I'm just gonna have to break it in a little bit. Now, yeah, it's overall just pretty dry and scratchy, but it's really good. This is definitely way better than the G4. So, yeah. Let's try corner cutting. Just underline the line and about half a kb. About the same as my G4. So, yeah.